case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1973, the United States Tax Court heard a case, Kass v. Commissioner, which unraveled an intricate story of stock transfer. Under scrutiny was the transfer of 2,000 shares between two companies, Atlantic City Racing Association, ACRA, and newly formed Track Associates, TRAC, by shareholder May B. Kass. The focal point of the case was to assess whether this transfer could be classified as a tax-free reorganization, thereby nullifying the need for Kass to report this as a capital gain. The backdrop of this litigation scenario involved minority shareholders in ACRA, the Levies and Casey's, aiming to gain control over the racetrack operating company. To fulfill this, they swapped their ACRA shares for track shares. Such a move saw the Levies and Casey's owning 48,300 and 3,450 track shares respectively, besides an additional purchase of 70,823 track shares. Nonetheless, this crafty shuffle of shares did not dance away from the court's penetrating gaze. The court ruled that the process was not a reorganization, but a taxable transaction. It arrived at its decision, given the fact that the acquisition of ACRA's stock by Track and the subsequent liquidation into Track was viewed as an attempt to gain control over ACRA's business. This was perceived as an integrated transaction, which unfortunately failed to pass the continuity of interest test. Moreover, Kass's argument that the incorporation of Track should only be integrated into the transaction for Section 351 purposes if it was mutually interdependent with the incorporation transfers of the other shareholders, failed to hold water. As per the court, the step transaction doctrine didn't apply due to the absence of interdependence with other transfers. In conclusion, the court's judgment served as a strong reminder that attempting to bypass legal thresholds could lead to tax liabilities, as was the case for May B. Kass.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.